Are you ready to find out what's inside the Haunted Mansion board game? Let's find out. Okay, let's see. It's got a pretty cool, it's the vaulted ceiling from the ride. Okay, this instruction manual reminds me of the Villainous game, this game is actually made by Prospero Hall. Ooh, let's look at the game board. Okay, so it's got a circle in the middle. Okay, so we've got these creatures and they have numbers. There's 2 of them. I'm guessing this is the main board in the middle. These look like the player tokens. There's 6 distinct player tokens. You've got the classic hitchhiking ghosts. And Lumiere. Just kidding, that's just a normal candle. Okay, so we've got some miniature cards. I wonder what those do. So we've got all these cards. All they have is numbers on them, and there are a lot of them. And we've got 2 decks of cards. Ooh, these cards are very, very good quality. They're very sturdy, so that's a nice addition to it. And then we got more of those numbers, which I'm sure we're gonna find out what those mean. Some action cards for each player. That's super nice. And then some more cards that seem to be character cards. We'll see how those come into play. I love when they do this. It says that each player chooses a color, and it says to place your mover in the seance room at the dead center of the game board. Okay, so it looks like there are 14 event cards, 99 of these ghost cards, which it looks like these ones are the same. Yeah, so ghost cards are green, and event cards are this bluish purple color. And then you've got 120 of these small haunt cards. The 6 reference cards for each player. This is the first player marker. And then these apparently are bidding dials. You've got 0, 1, 2, and 3 on them, and there are 2 of those. Okay, let's sort out these ghost cards and see what we've got. So we've got some dancing people. Here's Madame Leota. See, we got some of the stretching room portraits. Okay, so it looks like there's a bunch of different types of ghost cards. So you've got these ones, which are the musician ghosts. And some of them are the classic statues that are in the ride. You've got paintings and artifacts. There are the dancing ghosts from the classic ballroom scene in the Haunted Mansion ride. And then there are the classic stretching portraits from the ride. So it looks like there's a lot of duplicates of those portraits because there's only 4 of them. And then these ones that all have numbers on the bottom are split into dancing ghosts, tea party ghosts, grim grinning ghosts, ballroom ghost, the groom ghost. So there's a lot of those ones in the different styles of those. And then finally the special ghosts, which are the bride. You've got the organist, also from that classic ballroom scene. This is the executioner, the headless knight, and Madame Leota. So that's what's inside the Haunted Mansion board game. Be sure to subscribe, as we'll be coming out with a playthrough of us playing this game and a how to play tutorial video to teach you how to play. If you want to check out this game for yourself, link in the description down below. Thanks, guys.